If you want to listen to a voice note from you before sending it, you can do it in the following way. Record your voice note. When you finish it, leave the application without stopping the recording. This will be paused automatically, and when you turn to the application, you will see the audio with the option to play before sending. Then you can decide whether to send or cancel it. If you send an image on a regular basis as an image, it usually loses quality in the process, but if you send it as a document, it will maintain its quality and the pixels will not be reduced. Simply by clicking on the click icon and then on the document icon. From there, look for image and send it. It will not be preset, but once the recipient clicks above, you will be able to see it completely. If you want to send a message to someone without having to add it to your contacts, simply put in the search engine in Google wa.me/indicative of the country and the number. Enter. A window will be opened with a chat button with a number, and WhatsApp chat will open without adding it to your contacts. You can change the writing style to highlight words. To do this, first type the text you will send. Hold down the text until a small window displays where it says Translate, Copy, and Copy. Give it in the 3 points and will display several options to change the font style, such as bold, cursive, text, or monospaced. This feature allows you to highlight times or dates in the text you send by WhatsApp.